Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And essentially guys, you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you today how to get Sims 4 packs for free. And this is going to get you every single DLC or expansion pack for Sims 4. And also if you do not have the game, this is also going to get you the game. But if you already have the game, this is just going to get you the packs for free. It takes around 10 minutes, and this is going to give you every single available pack, as of recording this video. And this is a simple, game code that you can redeem on your platform. So it doesn't matter if you're on Mac, PC, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever you play Sims 4 on, you're going to be able to get every single pack for completely free. I'm going to be recording my mobile phone, so make sure you use your mobile for this, guys, and open up an internet browser and let me start the tutorial so you can follow along. You need to basically go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com. This is the website you need to find, Speedy Coupons. Open that up. Now these guys have hundreds of pages on basically different things to save you money. So you're going to need to want to navigate to the Sims 4 page. So go to search and type in Sims, and it'll pop up Sims 4 plus all DLCs, free digital game code. So click on that page and scroll down. So basically guys, you need to select which platform you want Sims 4 and all the packs for. So if you own a PlayStation, you're obviously going to want to use the PlayStation one. There's Xbox and there's also PC. So I have an Xbox. So in this scenario, I'm going to be clicking on Xbox, but it doesn't matter which platform you have. So click on show code. And this confirms this is a free digital copy of Sims 4 and all packs for Xbox consoles. And you can see on my screen here it says Sims, and then there is some stars. Basically guys, as you can imagine, these codes are pretty desirable and valuable. So this just protects the codes. We need to unlock the code. Takes around 10 minutes, but it's well worth it considering the money you're going to be saving. So tap unlock code and let's start the process. Make sure you follow the instructions in the next step because it's very important. So this is the Sims 4 code unlocker. Essentially guys, we need to unlock our game code. And to do that, we need to complete 2 of the free app survey offers below. Follow the instructions below each app. This takes 30 seconds and this verifies you're not a robot. So as you saw there, we need to complete 2 tasks you can see on this page. And there is a short description below each task. So essentially guys, just choose 2 tasks. They're all completely free and they're not too lengthy. They only take around 5 minutes each. So I'm going to go ahead and complete 2 of these tasks. This one is a survey where I need to answer some questions. And then I need to input my valid email address, and this basically confirms I'm real. So let me go ahead, complete 2, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, that took me around 10 minutes. I went ahead and finished off that survey where I had to enter my correct email and just complete all of the required steps. Then I just went ahead and downloaded this one at the top, which is Family Island, and it's a game. I needed to play it until I completed level 8. So the game took me a little bit longer than the survey, but I didn't mind doing it. It was a fun game to play. So anyway, now I've fully completed these 2 tasks. I should, if I press the tabs button, see this Sims 4 tab down on the bottom left. That will contain my Sims 4 free packs code, which I can copy and redeem in the game or on the platform if you don't, on the platform of choice if you don't have Sims 4. It's going to also download the full game, and that is it guys. So these codes are one-time use. I'm going to be using this in a minute because I don't actually have Sims 4, so this is going to give me the game plus all of the available packs. Like I said, if you already have the game, it's going to give you the packs. So go to speedycoupons.com and you can go and get your personal code for Sims 4.